Hello friends, welcome to Madilgekers Academy. Today we will discuss division process by Vedic formula Dvajankam. Just by little practice of oral multiplication and addition subtraction, or you may say by minor rough work, we will be able to solve the division problems of many digits in one line. Therefore it is also called straight division. So in this method we will bifurcate divisor as operator and dvajank. Let us say we wish to divide by a number, say 54. So this complete divisor is to be bifurcated as operator and dvajank. So here 5 will be considered as operator and 4 will be considered as dvajank. So instead of dividing by whole divisor, we will divide by only operator. So it will be easier to divide by the operator 5 instead of 54. Just have a look where we have to write the dividend, quotient, dvajank, operator. We should keep in mind this formula. This will be very important for the division process. Every time dividend will change, so we'll call it as new dividend. From this new dividend, the product of dvajank and quotient is to be subtracted, and whatever you get on subtracting is to be divided by the operator. So this plays a very important role in division process by dvajank method. Let's solve first example. Here 43854 is to be divided by 54. Bifurcate this 54 as operator 5 and dvajank 4. How to write dividend? Since dvajank has one digit, you separate the last digit of dividend. So dividend is to be written as 4385. 4 is to be separated. If you want to find answer in decimals, take zeros in dividend. Now let's start the process. As the first digit 4 is not divisible by the operator 5, we'll consider 43. On dividing this 43 by 5 gives remainder 3 and quotient 8. So quotient is to be written below line and remainder is to be written after 43 and before 8. Now this 38 is supposed to be the new dividend. From this new dividend, you subtract the product of dvajank and quotient. Dvajank is 4 and quotient is 8, which gives you 6. Now this 6, it must be positive. This term should be always positive. Whenever it comes to be negative, you have to change the previous quotient and remainder. Now here this 6 is to be divided by the operator 5, which gives quotient 1 and remainder 1. So quotient 1 and remainder 1. Remainder is to be written in between 8 and 5. Now new dividend is 15 minus dvajank is 4, quotient is 1, which is 11, which is positive. It is to be divided by the operator 5. On dividing, we get quotient 2 and remainder 1. Quotient 2 and remainder 1. Here the new dividend is 14 minus 4 into new quotient is 2. 14 minus 8 is 6. On dividing by 5 gives quotient 1, remainder 1. So quotient 1, remainder 1. New dividend is now 10 minus dvajank into quotient gives 6. Again quotient is 1, remainder is 1. Quotient 1 and remainder 1. Particularly in this example, you will get same quotient and same remainder. Now the answer is 812.111 so on. So in this way, we can perform division operation using Dvajankam. Now, second example, here 5321 is to be divided by 81. Here, Dvajank is 1, operator is 8. Dividend is 532, separate last digit of dividend. Since we want to find answer in decimal, take zeros. As 5 is not divisible by the operator 8, consider it as 53. On dividing 53 by 8 gives quotient 6 and remainder 5. Now this 52 is supposed to be the new dividend. Subtract the product of Dvajank and quotient. That is 1, quotient 6. 52 minus 6 gives 46. A positive number which is to be divided by operator 8. On dividing by 8 gives quotient 5, remainder 6. Quotient 5 and remainder 6. New dividend is 61. From this, subtract Dvajank into quotient. 61 minus 5 is 56. This 56 is completely divisible by 8. On dividing by 8 gives quotient 7, remainder 0. What happens in the next step? See here, if we take quotient 7 and remainder 0, the new dividend will be 0 minus Dvajank into quotient gives you minus 7, a negative number. So what to do here? You change the previous quotient and remainder. Instead of taking quotient 7, take a smaller quotient. Let us say 6. 8 times 6 is 48. So remainder will be 56 minus 48, that is 8. So cancel the previous quotient. Take quotient 6, cancel previous remainder, that is 0, and take the new remainder 8. Now it is 80 minus 1 into 6, that is 74, is to be divided by the operator 8. Gives quotient 9, remainder 2. Now new dividend is 20 minus Dvajank into quotient is 11 divided by 8 gives quotient 1, remainder 3. Quotient 1 and remainder 3. Continue the process. Now the answer is 65.691. Let's switch to third example. Here 2583 is to be divided by 33. Dvajank is 3, operator is 3, dividend is 258, separate the last digit. 25 is to be divided by 3, gives quotient 8, remainder 1. New dividend is 18. From this, subtract the product of Dvajank and quotient, that is 3 and 8. 18 minus 24 is minus 6, which is a negative number. As discussed previously, change quotient and remainder. Instead of 8, consider it as 7. So if we take quotient 7, then the remainder will be 4. So remainder is 4. New dividend is 48 minus Dvajank into quotient. 48 minus 21 is 27 divided by operator 3 gives you quotient 9, remainder 0. So if quotient is 9 and remainder is 0, what will happen in the next step? New dividend 3 minus Dvajank into quotient gives you a negative number. So again you have to change the previous quotient and remainder. Instead of quotient 9, if we take quotient 8, so remainder will be 3. So cancel this 9, take quotient as 8, cancel this 0, take remainder as 3. So new dividend is now 33 minus Dwajank into quotient. 33 minus 24 is 9, divide by operator 3. If you divide completely by 3, gives remainder 0. But again, you will get a negative sign in the next succeeding step. So instead of dividing completely, take quotient 2, the remainder will be 3. So quotient is 2, remainder is 3. New dividend is 30 minus Dwajank into quotient, that is 24. Again, this is completely divided by 3. So gives quotient 8 and remainder 0. But again in the next step it will give a negative sign. Take quotient as 7, remainder will be 3. So 7 and 3. 30 minus 3 into 7, that is 9. On dividing by 3, instead of dividing completely by 3, divide by 2. So 2 will be the quotient, and in the next step 3 will be the remainder. Continue the same process. Answer is 78.272. Now, fourth example. Here 92358 is to be divided by a 3-digit number, say 151. Here Dwajank may be 1 or may be 51. But if we take Dwajank to be a smaller number, then it will be easy to calculate. So let us take Dwajank as 1 and operator as 15. As we had taken Dwajank as a single digit, separate the last digit of the dividend. So 9, 2, 3, 5, separate 8, take zeros. 92 is to be divided by 15, gives quotient 6, remainder 2. New dividend is 23 minus Dwajank into quotient gives 17. On dividing by 15 gives quotient 1 and remainder 2. Now this 25 is the new dividend minus Dwajank into quotient is 24 divided by 15 gives you quotient 1, remainder 9. 98 is new dividend minus Dwajank into quotient. 97 divided by 15 again gives you quotient 6, remainder 7. New dividend is now 70 minus Dwajank into quotient 64. On dividing by the operator 15 gives you quotient 4, remainder 4. New dividend is now 40 minus Dwajank into quotient is 36 divided by 15 gives quotient 2 and remainder 6. Now the answer is 611.642. So in this way, by using Dwajank, we can perform division operation easily and quickly. Thanks for watching this video.